I did engineering, it's got nothing to what I'm doing here. It's totally different. I was not an outward spoken. I always because myself, I'm shy. Those are just labels that I give myself to make myself mean. Never call yourself those adjectives that make you small. Because all of us, we are born to succeed. Guys, for you to be born, they say the probability of someone to become pregnant is 0.00 something. If today you're alive, I want to motivate you. Only for today. Guys, for you know how someone become pregnant? After they meet together, there's those things that work in the semen, they call them. And it's the fattest is the one who go dead inside there. When it closes the deal and the deal is done. Yes. It's the fastest when it closes the deal like bah! It's closed. No more entrance. Guys, I want to tell you that you are the fastest in the semen there. That's why your head goes like and they close the deal. I said, Angeke, no twins anymore. It was blocked. So you were the fastest from the old generation. That's why you are alive. The other one, they could not make it.
Jose.
So if I told you, you should be already excited. Say, I'm the most fastest person ever in town. I'm the smartest. I'm the quickest in that generation. Because guys, if you understand this, if you do biology, you'll be shocked that there's millions of sperms, but only one clock it in, and you are the one. That is very important that you need to walk sometimes straight with your shoulder straight. That say, I'm the man. Beside the guy upstairs. Don't give a fuck about someone who's outside here. Today they're driving a Lamborghini, you don't know the one's gonna come next year. Today they have Ventardo, you don't know the Murcielago Expansion 3 is coming. People are behaving puppy about Golf 4, today we have 8, today we have X7. So guys, why? Because we try to attribute success to other people. We classify ourselves, people are already disqualified. But guys, you are designed, you have been engineered for you to succeed. And that's how God programmed you. And you need to be carrying every time like that. Guys, it doesn't matter where you come from. It doesn't matter your background. If I could make it so too, you can. There's no difference. But guys, you need to understand that you are born to succeed. And you are designed to succeed. Not just you are born to succeed. You've been engineered. Every mechanism is designed in you for you to succeed. And one of the ingredients, first of all, is enthusiasm. Guys, I see a baby that's not enthusiastic. Tell me the baby. Who's the baby stressed? And the baby can say, Mama, when are you on board? First of all, the baby up to 2 years, they don't talk. They express themselves. If they want something, they will cry until give them milk. They are fighters. You two used to do the same. What changed? What changed? Today you find somebody, he doesn't fight. They say it's not for me. How do you know? Don't take somebody and say, Mama, please, me every time they sit in your chest and suck and breastfeeding, I don't want that shit. But we don't ever do that because you know he wanted to fill up your stomach. Why change? It was energy. We're enthusiastic, everything. And when the baby they cry with passion.
Yes.
Especially those ones that they're skinny there. Mama, they can cry, make you uncomfortable. You can't beat him up, but you have to. Why? I said, I'll put passion in my crying. Because I know if I cry too much, you're gonna stop mopping the floor, you're gonna carry me, you're gonna put it in my bag. But once suddenly when you grow up, you're not enthusiastic anymore. You find somebody who's 20 years old. Hello, sissy. You can't even fucking express yourself. Your hair has been stopped here. Mama, I like that idol. When people are speaking, they say, hey, sissy, speak from here. You have to sing from your stomach. Your voice needs to become louder enough. That's what we do. Every day I want to talk to a customer, you pitch custom. Hi, ma'am, how you doing? But some people can say like, hello, mama. Oh, be clear. That is very important. If you're not enthusiastic, you're never going to see yourself succeed in our industry. And enthusiasm will be heavy. Why? Because you're a baby. Once upon a time, you were a baby and you're expressing your feelings every time. If you're not happy, you'll be sick the whole day. Your mom's going to tell you to go to the hospital. Because how many of us, we put enthusiasm towards success? You want to succeed, you're not enthusiastic. How are you going to succeed? Excitement, move much. People, they buy instant for energy. You got to be energetic. You walk like you know somewhere, like you're going somewhere. When you go to a customer, mean it. Do your work first. When you're talking, be assertive. Don't think like, Mama, you know, maybe we... No, there's no such. Look at this person in his eyes. Don't blink. Let him be the first one to blink. Then take control of that person. Be energetic. Motion create emotions. That's how it's all about. That's sales. If you're not energetic, you're never going to do sales. I wish I could tell you the other way around. For us to be here, we have to learn to sell. We have to learn to become enthusiastic. And enthusiasm, they say it's a human electricity. It's that energy that gets in your body every single day. Guys, you need to become energetic. Don't go to the feet down. Don't feel yourself down because you've been engineered to succeed. Number 2, you're going there. Guys, trust. You trust your mom. You never question your mom and say, Mama, you my mom. It's only later that the child says, this is your stepmom. You say, wow, how can you punish me for such a year? But even there, you still have connections. But people, they don't trust anything. Some of us, we don't believe I'm going to become a manager. You just say, no, how come? Hey, no, maybe. No, because you need to have a little of trust. You gotta believe it and say, I have all the skill. I have what it takes for me to succeed. It doesn't matter where you come from. If you don't know how to speak English, who give a fuck anyway? If no one ever succeeds in your life, who give a damn anyway? That's very important. You need to have trust. I wanna take it. Some of you guys, you only like the condom ones, but you don't like the other ones. Baby, who they trust? Yes, it's only plastic. That's why we're babies. Because that trust is no trust. It's broken, yeah. Okay, guys, curiosity. Guys, how much you are curious? There's couple manager here, there's me, there's Sam K. How many of us should go to speak to managers to just become a list of curious? They say curiosity like the cat. At least the cat was curious. Whether you're never curious about anything. For you to make money, you gotta be curious about how to make money. Money doesn't come on trees. For you to drive a car, you need to be curious about cars. How do you drive that car? Come on, so much we're not curious. Because it's not your life, this is not your world that things will happen when you want them or when you feel like. Let me make you out. Things will never gonna happen to you because you feel them. And you never have feelings of success. It doesn't exist. Hey! TB. Guys, I joined this business by mistake. I was looking for a job because I wanted to pay rent. I didn't have a feeling. I said, Pascal, now you have a feeling of management. Go for it. That feeling never come up to now. The woman that I have today, it was my mistake. It was trial and error. The baby was trial and error. We didn't know. I said, oh, Pascal, now you are ready to be called a father. Never. When it happened, I was shocked. I said, you must be joking. Me, a baby, where? I've never met someone pregnant before. No, you are lying. I said, it's yours. I said, let's do the numbers. And we figured out, I said, Pascal, it's all right, man. You're in Tata. On the road trip. Like I'm good with numbers. I retrieve my questions. Guys, I've never been ready. I was just curious. I said, no problem. Now Pascal's going to become a father. Learn from it. The same also today, we're going to become a manager. Speak to managers. One day, there's nobody in the office. Stand here. If there is suit hanging around, wear it also. Pretend like you're running one meeting. Just fill in the shoes of becoming a manager. It's doable. Guys, you don't have to become, what's a special skill that I have? Nothing. I look like you. What's different? There's nothing. I hate wearing this shit here. But because I'm a manager, I'm still wearing it. And after we go, I'm going to put it back on the chair. It's hot. Yes. No, guys, it's very important. If you're not curious, guys, you're not going to become a manager, you're not going to succeed. You're not going to succeed. Because that's how life it is. You need to become curious. Guys, another one, just to finish up, I want to talk a lot of them. Guys, persistence. Guys, I know we're in a world of Instagram. Everything just happened today here. You see a boy that you grew up in the neighborhood is driving a Golf 4. You're going to be also driving like this one here. There is somebody who's that one here. Things happening quick. Someone became a millionaire yesterday. He got a tender or this one here. Yes, but it's not going to happen to everybody. And there's no guarantee a person's got a tender today is going to die rich. Guys, how many African companies that you know they've been here for the last 50 years? There's none. There's no African company been over 50 years. None. Which one that you know? McDonald's not South African. Nando's not South African. Name it. That you know, that's been for 50 years. Let's go to 100. Because we just get independence now in 1994. So which means, for you to succeed, persistence. Nokia used to be pumping, but where are they today? They slept along the line. What happened? There's no Nokia anymore. Starterford, they were the powerhouse. When you go buy clothes from Starterford, I say, my man, I just put on my polo shirt. Today, Starterford is no more. After 150 years, it's collapsed. You know why? Persistence. But when this is your first job, you're not even a week yet, you're thinking of not doing it. And it's challenging, because I wish I could tell you success, it's easy. I've been doing this shit for, I don't know, 14 or 12 years, I don't know, let's say 14 by default. Because I've been here for 14 years. Do you know how much it takes every day waking up 6 o'clock? And I'm not even there on top. I just accept it. I say, Pascal, if I persist enough, I will succeed. I will persist till I succeed. Even if you're not smart enough, but as long as you keep effort every single day, you don't give up. If I keep working, I'm going to reach my destination. As long as I don't stop. But most of us along the line, you don't fail, you just quit. That's failure. It's like I said, I'll go to the direction, no, it's too enough, it's too early, it's waiting on me, it's this one, and I stop along the line. Because you have the ingredient to succeed. If you persist, it's persistence. Sandra was beaten in the last minute. Barrett was beaten in the last minute. I don't know, there's always some magic about last minute. Be aware until the last minute. Don't give up. Don't lose your focus. Don't lose your concentration. Keep putting effort. Because you're never going to see a baby who doesn't put effort. Even the baby when he's playing, he's always putting effort. I've seen a baby can take that toy. He just wants to put it here inside it. He's going to even start crying. But some of us, we don't even put effort. We're lazy. Have you seen a baby walking with lazy? I said this baby is lazy. If the baby is lazy, you know he's sick now. You take him to the doctor. How many of us we portray already like friends? And Kateri just come to like, yo, damn guys, please don't. Guys, we're not gonna feel sorry for you, unfortunately. Success feels sorry for nobody. For you to become successful, it's the last man standing. I remember when you have to be in the field, those are the impacts we used to do. Last man standing. Moment of brillianto. The moment of brilliance. Last minute. But these days, no one preaches this impact anymore. People will go to the store at 10 o'clock, they want to set place at 11. No, guys, you can't expect like that. Like today, it's Monday. If you really have a great week, today they give you another chance. They say yesterday is history, today is a gift, tomorrow is a mystery. What am I going to do about today? Are you going to bring back the energy so I can succeed? Or you just going to say, this is another week? When I wake up in the morning, I say, thanks God, it's Monday. Why it's Monday? Because it's a new slate. Why it's Monday? I didn't commit any crime yet. Why it's Monday? Because it's an opportunity for me to get close to my goal. Why it's Monday? I have to save people. That's why we come here on Monday. If you look at me yesterday, I was like a dead meat. I was chill. Yesterday it was a time to relax, to disconnect. But today, for sure, we're here to save. From the morning I've been talking up to now. Because that's what I do. But yesterday, no, it was a time to take a break. But yes, it's Monday. I couldn't come here like that. I was here before 6. Because I want you to look at these things here and tick them. Can you become enthusiastic? Yes, you've done it. Can you trust somebody? Yes, we teach you the marketing system. Believe in it, it's doable. Can you become curious? You've done it before. The kid, they're always curious. You're going to try to break that TV to see what was inside. That's what we used to do. Persistence, yes, the kid, you're going to show my kids going to go to the same TV again. You stop, you want to go there. You go at the back of the TV, I want to see what's happening here. But when we grow up, we stop curiosity. Guys, if you keep walking, you're going to reach your destination. As long as you don't give up. Joseph. Guys, I hope I motivate you enough. Start to go and sell. And if you take these things here, you put them in the field every single day. And if you're a trainer, you do these things 16 weeks in a row. There's no way they're going to be promoted. Our goal is to see who's going to make it to management as quick as possible. That's the competition is on. Fuck Stoker, fuck FPP, fuck all those things here. Those things here, those are tools to exercise. But what makes a difference here is your bigger goal where you're going. Just we want to promote a couple of people. We have a date, 1st of April. Who's going to be promoted first? You have a choice, you're on that platform. That's why we talk to you. That's why we keep recruiting. So we don't get tired of recruiting. We're not going to get tired. We want to the next meeting, maybe before the second half, to go to something. We want to go with you as well. Guys, we need to go with you. But we're not going to go with you if you become yourself here. You choose these things. Remind yourself every single day. You have them. You have them. We've never been enthusiastic. We never trust anybody. When people boyfriend not to trust, they betray you. So here we are. God history. Especially the first one. I said, baby, when I get married, you are so sweet. Oh, you're a pumpkin. Then you are the way first one when betray you. That's enjoy like a man. Take when I saw you playing golf. But guys, Curiosity. Be curious about success. Find out. We're gonna help you. Phone me. You have my number. Phone me. I'll tell you what to do. We're gonna help you. If I don't help you, there's Kevin. He's there on the photo. Ask his number. He was here on the conference call. Phone him. If you think it's not enough, go outside in Randburg. Go to Grant. Whoever. I don't care. Those managers, those pictures are there. They are there to help you. If I can't help you, there's somebody can help you. We have over 84 owners. Just in South Africa, only in Namibia. So guys, there's a lot of people you can relate with. There's certain people look like complexion like you. Maybe you can speak to. No problem. China, they are there. African is going to speak to you, Mahoko. He's going to take you up today. Joseph. Okay, so guys, that's my story there, guys. Today is Monday. Please, if you didn't have a goal set up already by Monday, adjust them and keep yourself those small things here. Push yourself. Who knows? In the next 16 weeks, when we stand here, we're going to promote you and we're going to take you to Mag and Bin. Don't worry, I'll pay the bills. I'll pay the bills. I'm going to say, my man, go for it. Anything that you want to, I'm going to pay the bills. Don't worry about you, just worry about eating. That's just going to become an introduction. I'm going to buy you soup, no problem. Just lady, no problem. We'll take you to we'll take you to HM, no stress. Go to HM. Bring a voucher for HM so that when you're trending there, we'll have it. Not legit and Mr. Price. Oh, Mr. Price, like really? It's not jellyfish here, please. We'll go to Mall of Africa, please. Come on, it's like no, one go to Mall of your levels. You go to the top there to buy stuff and after to get some fresh air. You want some of Kurunkulu. You are amazing. You don't just be here, you're staying in the valley and saying Kurunkulu. No, you're still on top. So guys, it's going to be amazing. Guys, we'd like to go this one here. And also we have a trainers meeting. I think Tumelo, Skipper, and whoever that's coming here. Yeah, and Zoleka, I think they're coming here, guys, to also teach us a couple of stuff. So please, there are also some nice people there, guys. Take advantage. It's going to be happening, I think, next month. Okay, so guys, we're in the right direction. So let's make things happen. Joseph. First one in the face!